First thing you're going to need to do is you need to get the Kroger app if you already don't have it. It does not cost any money and can just be found on the Google Play or App Store. Once you've gotten the app, you simply want to open it and log in, creating an account using your email and phone number and basically verifying it. Once you get the app, you can see right here we can actually search for items and simply add them to the cart like so. And you can actually go to the cart to view these options, view the savings, and here's how you can easily clip coupons. Now you can see right here I'm on the save option in the app. You cannot do this on the website, you have to do this on the app, and you can simply click on the clip option, and clipping it will basically allow you to get these discounts when you apply your phone number at checkout or actually use the Kroger card. The two ways to actually apply these, since there's no visible QR code, barcode type thing in this app to actually apply these clip savings, is they're automatically applied if you're doing pickup on the app and go to checkout, or if you are at the checkout, you actually have to enter in your phone number or use your Kroger card, and that will automatically apply these clip coupons. Those are the only two ways to do this. It goes the same for fuel. If you found this helpful, leave a like and share this video so your friend can save as well.